In this video, we are going to discuss about COE-3171 Problem Solving and Python Programming Laboratory, exercise number 1b, to develop a flowchart for the retail shop billing. Now let's see the syllabus for Regulation 2021. This is the syllabus. We are going to see the first exercise, that is identification and solving of simple real life or scientific or technical problems and developing flowchart for the same. In this, we are going to see for retail shop billing. Before entering into the topic, first let's see what is the flowchart. Flowcharts are a diagrammatic method of representing algorithm. It uses an intuitive scheme of showing operation in boxes connected by lines and arrows that graphically shows the flow of control in an algorithm. Now let's see what is a retail shop billing. It deals with the end customer and billing an individual customer, whereas wholesale billing details deals with billing to the following entities depending on situation and the nature of business. Retail billing software for retail shop, invoicing, accounting and inventory is an important part of any retail business. It automates receipt generation and helps in performing calculation, maintaining detailed financial records for bookkeeping and registering information. Now let's see the lab manual for exercise number 1b. This is the lab manual. Aim is the algorithm. This is the pseudocode and it is the flowchart. Flowchart. This is the first we are starting it. First start பண்றோம். இந்த சிம்பிளோட நேம் என்ன சொல்வோம் அப்படின்னா terminator. So that is known as terminal point or oval. The terminator shows the start and stop points in a process. ஒரு process நடக்கும்போது start and stop எப்பவுமே இந்த terminator symbol தான் இருக்கும். So this is known as terminator. Start and stop will be in terminator, that is in oval symbol. Next comes the arrow mark, that is known as flow line or connector. The flow line connector shows the direction that the process flows. So எந்த வழியா அந்த process flow ஆகுமோ அதுதான் அந்த flow line நம்ம மென்ஷன் பண்ணிருக்கோம். இல்லனா arrow சொல்லலாம், இல்லனா connector அப்படினு சொல்லலாம். Then this is the data, it is input or output. The data flow chart shape indicates input to and output from a process. As such, the shape is more often referred to as input-output shape than a data shape. So, input-க்கு இந்த shapeல மென்ஷன் பண்ணுவோம் data shapeல. அதே மாதிரி output-க்கும் இதே shapeல தான் மென்ஷன் பண்ணுவோம். Input and output-க்கு இந்த data shapeல தான் flowchart நம்ம மென்ஷன் பண்ணுவோம். Next, this is the symbol for process. The process, it means it show a process or action step. It is the most common symbol in the flowchart. So flowchartல நம்ம அதிகமா காமனா யூஸ் பண்ற சிம்பல் இதான் ரெக்டாங்கிள் சிம்பல்ல இருக்கும். This is known as process symbol அப்படின்னு நம்ம சொல்றோம். என்ன process நடக்க போதோ அதுதான் நம்ம இந்த ஷேப்ல நம்ம கொடுக்கிறோம். Next, this symbol is known as decision symbol. It indicates a question or branch in process flow. A decision flowchart shape is used when there are two options, that is yes or no go etc. So yes or no அப்படிங்கிற ஆப்ஷன் நம்ம கொடுக்கிறதுக்கு the decision symbol அப்படிங்கறத நம்ம யூஸ் பண்றோம். So finally, here again process symbol, then this is the output and finally this is the terminator. Finally, we have drawn COE-3171 Problem Solving and Python Programming Laboratory 1b exercise, that is how to draw a flowchart for retail shop billing. I hope you have understood. Thank you.